If your GoDaddy Webmail is giving you trouble, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the GoDaddy Webmail error step by step in the simplest way possible. This is a quick and practical guide for anyone who can't open Webmail, can't access Roundcube, or is getting email connection issues on GoDaddy. If this tutorial helps, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's get into it. First, go to GoDaddy in your browser and sign into the account that manages your domain and hosting. Once you're logged in, head over to My Products. This is where you'll find everything connected to your domain, web hosting, and email setup. Now, look next to your domain and click DNS. This is one of the most important parts of the fix because webmail errors are often caused by incorrect DNS settings. You want to verify your DNS MX records. Make sure your domain's MX records are pointing to your GoDaddy cPanel server and not to an external host. If the MX records are sending mail somewhere else, your webmail may not load correctly or email may stop working altogether. Take a moment to review those records carefully. If you recently changed email providers or updated hosting, this is especially important. A wrong MX record can cause webmail to break, even if everything else looks fine. After checking DNS, go back to My Products again. This time, under Web Hosting, click Manage. This will take you into the hosting area where you can access the tools needed to repair the email setup. From there, open cPanel Admin. cPanel is where GoDaddy stores the email account controls for many hosting plans, so this is the next place to check when webmail is not working properly. Inside cPanel, go to Email, then click Email Accounts. You should now see the list of email addresses tied to your hosting account. Find the email account you want to use and click Check Email beside it. This should launch the webmail options for that mailbox. If everything is set up correctly, you should now be able to open Roundcube Webmail again. In many cases, simply confirming the MX records and reopening the mailbox through cPanel is enough to fix the issue. If webmail still won't open, double check that you are signing into the correct GoDaddy account, that the email account actually exists in cPanel, and that your domain is using the right DNS configuration. These small checks often solve the problem faster than expected, and that's it. You've now gone through the main steps to fix a GoDaddy webmail error and get back into Roundcube. If this walkthrough saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.